How to restrict iPhone screen for your baby. Let's get started. For that, first of all, simply open up Settings. Inside here, scroll below, tap on Accessibility. Now scroll below until the very end and then tap on Guided Access. Tap onto it and make sure this toggle is on. After that, you can even set a password that will allow you to control when the feature is used. Once the guided access is enabled, head back to your home screen and then open the app you want to lock. After that, triple-click on the side button to start guided access. And then select guided access right over here. Circle the area you want to disable or leave the whole screen active for your baby. Once it is done, you can simply adjust it and then tap on Start right over here. And just like that, your screen is now locked. If you would like to exit, you can simply triple-click on the side or home button again. And then enter your passcode, then simply tap on End right over here. And that's it. You have successfully locked the screen to keep your baby entertained. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.